Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Chrysler 200 LX, stock number E1608A. 23,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check, history report, black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage, seats 5, cloth interior, backup camera, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy green, ice blue gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, compass display, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. A spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.